In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your videos from Adobe After Effects with a small file size. So let's get into it. So to export your video, the standard way of doing this is to go into Composition and select Add to Render Queue. But if you do it this way, you'll get a really large file size. So instead, let's avoid After Effects altogether, and instead, let's go to Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. And when we do this, we're greeted with Adobe Media Encoder, and this is very similar to our Premiere Pro export window. And this is where we can get really precise on our export settings. So we'll just go ahead and select H.264, or whatever is selected there. We want to change the format to H.264. Preset we can ignore. Output name, this is just where we're placing this and the name of the file. But what we're looking for the most is, all the way down at the bottom, you've got bit rate settings. If I change this to CBR and I pull the slider all the way to the right, you can see the estimated file size is 36 for this short section of video. But if I pull it all the way to the left, that has dropped to 76 kilobytes. Now, I wouldn't recommend going any lower than 20 because that's when you're going to start to notice a quality drop off. But you'll notice by going to 20, our file size is now 3 as opposed to 36. So all you do is press OK, press the play button on Media Encoder, and that will be exported from Adobe After Effects with that smaller file size.